Hello students, welcome to my channel. This session will be taking up two-digit multiplication. How we can do two-digit multiplication without putting it on the paper step by step. Like for example, if I ask you students 86 into say 34, can you answer me in one line directly? Yes, I'm sure you, if I allow you to write down, many of us can always do like this. 4 into 6 24, 2 carried, 4 into 8 32 plus 2 34. 3 into 6 18, 1 carried, 3 into 8 24 plus 1 25, 4 8 plus 4 12, 9 2 9 2 4 you can say. But without writing these two lines, I expect you to answer the question in straight away. How we can do this, students? Students, it just involves only the first 9 tables. If you recall the discussion we had in our intro session, I said if you know first 9 tables, you can do any big multiplication. I said, let's see what are the steps involved. Students, the first step will be 6 into 4. What is 6 into 4? 24. Or rather 4 into 6, 24. 4 here, 2 carried. I think you can keep this 2 in your mind actually. So what is the first step, students? 6 into 4. The second step, students, is cross multiply them. What is 18 to 4? 32. 3 into 6, 18. Come on, 32 plus 18, how much it is? 50. 50 plus 2, 52. 5 here, 2 here. What is the second step, students? We are multiplying 18 to 4, cross multiplication, plus 6 into 3, and then whatever is the carry forward number from the previous step, we are adding it, right? Okay. The third step, students, is leftmost places. 3 into 8, 24. 24 plus 5 carried, 29. So what is the third step? Third step is, students, the leftmost place is 8 into 3 plus whatever is the number carried forward from the previous step, right? So let's see, students. If I had to tell you one more example, say AB into CD, what I am saying, what is the first step, please, to write it? First step is, come on all of you, B into D. Second one, students, cross multiply. So A into D plus B into C plus whatever is the number that was carried from the previous step. Third step, students, is the leftmost places, A into C. Is that right? So now let's take a, you can pause the video, take a screenshot of it, the steps, or you can write down with your hand so that we can try more examples, students. Ready? Okay, let's take one more example. Suppose if I ask you 79 into 45, come on, what is the first step? Students, 5 9s 45, 4 here, 5 here, 4 carried. Second step, 7 5s 35 plus 36. See, 35 plus 36, how much it is? 71. 71 plus 4, 75. The third step is leftmost places, 7 4s 28 plus 7, 35. Okay, again, it's still early problems. I'll explain you step by step. The first step is what, students? 9 into, I'm sorry, this is 45. 9 into 5. Okay, second step is what, students? 7 into 5, 35 plus 4 into 9, and you are multiplying, cross multiplying. That is the second step. What is the third step? Leftmost places, 7 into 4, right? So 5 9s 45, 4 carried, 7 5s 35 plus 34, 71, 71 plus 4, 75, 7 carried, 4 7s 28 plus 7, 35. Is that fine? Let me take one more. 84 into, say, 56. So what are the first step, students? Yeah, 6 4s 24, 4 here, 2 carried. What is the second step, students? 6 into 8, 48, 5 into 4, 20, 48 plus 20, how much it is? 68, 68 plus 2, 70. The third step, students, is leftmost places. What is that? 5 into 8, 40, 40 plus 7, 47. Is that fine? We should not even write the carried number, students. Let me take one more. 94 5, yeah, 47. What is the first step? 7 into 5, 35. 5 here, 3 carried. What is the second step, students? 9 into 7, 63. 5 into 4, 20. 63 plus 20, 83. 83 plus 3, 86. Third step, students, 4 into 9, 36 plus 8, 44. Is that clear, students? Now, let me take few more examples. Yeah, let's see. 93 into 6, 2. 59 into 46. 87 into 34. Yeah, 68 into, yeah, something else, say 29. One more, 76 into, yeah, 43. Okay, you can pause the video and try these 5 questions and see how much time you are taking, students. Then you start watching this, right? So shall we start doing it, please? Now, students, what is the first step? 3, 6, 18, 1 carried. Next step, 21 plus 24. 21 plus 24, 45. 45 plus 1, 46. 4 carried. Third step is 7, 4 sevens, 28 plus 4, 32. Simple. What is here? First step, 2 into 3, 6. Second step, 9 into 2, 18. 6 into 3, 18. 18 plus 18, yes, 36. Anything carried before? No. 6 here, 3 carried. 6 nines, 54 plus 3, 57. What about this, students? 6 into 9, 54. 5 carried. What is the second step? 5 into 6, 30 plus 36. 30 plus 36, 66. 66 plus what was carried? 5. 66 plus 5, 71. What is the third step? 4 5 20 plus 7, 27. Right? You should stay non-stop. 54, 35, 71, 27. Right? Look at this. 28, 32, 34, 55, 29. So what I'm doing basically is this. You don't even see carried number, add it as it is. 4 sevens, 28. 8 here, 2 carried. 4 eights, 32 plus 2, 34 plus 21. So before you forget the carried number, I'm just adding 4 into 8, 32 plus 2 carried, 34 plus 21. 34 plus 21, 55. 5 carried. 8 into 3, 24 plus 5, 29. What about this, please? 9 8, 72. 9 6 are 54 plus 7, 61. 61 plus 16, 77. 12 plus 7, 19. Right? Come again. 9 into 8, 72. 7. 9 into 6, 54 plus 16. 54 plus 16, how much? 70. 70 plus 7, 77. 7 carried again. 2 6 are 12 plus 7, 19. Is that okay, students? Right. Let me just explain you one more point here, students. Students, if I ask you 83 and 45, what are the steps you involved, please? 5 into 3, 15, 1 carried. Next, you are saying first only this 3 into 5, 15. Next, what is that you are doing, please? You are cross multiplying, means you are considering the 2 places. 8 into 5, 4 into 3, right? 8 into 5 and 4 into 3, if you take, students, 40 plus 12, how much it is? 52 plus 1, 53. Next, 4 8s, 32 plus 5, 37. See, but why I am doing this again, students, is to tell you one important observation so that it will help you when you go to bigger numbers, students. If you observe, students, the first step is you have done this 3 into 5. Second step, you have taken both the numbers, both the digits simultaneously and cross multiplied. First you have taken only one digit, then you have taken 2 digits. Then anything more you have to take? No. Then what you are doing? You are only taking this digit, means you are ignoring this. So come again, what you are doing? First you are taking only 3 into 5. Next you are taking both places. Then you are taking the leftmost place by ignoring the first place. Come again. First I am taking only unit place, not taking this. Next, taking 2 places. Next, only taking this, means, in other words, what I can say, students, is, I mean, for 2 digit I don't need this explanation, but I'm just saying, keeping the bigger numbers in mind. See, any multiplication, students, you start from rightmost places and end with leftmost places. See, when we come to the 3 digit multiplication, I will tell you, suppose if I have ABC into XYZ, so where I start with C into Z, I'll end with A into X. In between, there will be few steps. So if I take AB into CD, I'm starting with B into D, ending with A into C. So you're starting from right hand and ending with leftmost digits there. Is that fine? So just keep it in mind. When we come to 3 digit, I will explain this in a little more detail. Is it okay, students? Right. So this is about the 2 digit multiplication. Is that fine? Right. So what you can do, students, is write down few numbers and keep multiplying them at random. See, and if you see, you're only doing addition, you're not doing multiplication. Let me just do one more example. 98, 36. What is the first step? 6 8s 48, 4. 9 6 54, 8 3 24. 54 plus 24, 78 plus 4, 82. See, what you are doing is addition. See, that's what I said in additions. You should be good at 2 digit addition, such that the moment you see 54 and 24, you should say 78. 78 plus 4, 82. Yeah, 9 3 is 27 plus 8, 35. See, this involves only addition. Students, if you have not practiced addition, please do practice addition, then come to the multiplication, right? So this is about 2 digit multiplication. In the next video, we will go to 3 digit multiplication, right, students? So thank you. If you have any queries, you can reach me at sr.gorantla1@gmail.com, or you can also reach me at Facebook at sr gorantla, similarly on Instagram and Twitter, right? Thank you.